Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make recurring affiliate commission. So guys, if you're looking for how to make recurring affiliate commission, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make a recurring affiliate commission, right? And yes, not only I will tell you that how to make a recurring affiliate commission, I will also show you some of the programs that you can pick to make recurring affiliate commission, right? Or you can say I will show you some of the programs that pay recurring affiliate commission, right? So yes guys, without any delay, let me show you how to make a recurring affiliate commission. And yes guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So down below there is a link, go and check out, right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me show you how to make recurring affiliate commission, guys, right? So guys, here very first thing guys that you need to keep in your mind that when you are going to promote any affiliate product that pay a recurring commission, first you must be user of that very product, guys. This is very important, guys. You tell me, if someone comes to you and asks more information about that very product, and if you are not the actual user of that very product, now you tell me, will you be in a great position to explain about that very product? I hope no, right? So if that very person comes to me and asks more information about that very product where I'm the actual user of that very product that I'm promoting, then I will be in better position to explain about that very product. So guys, this is very important, right? That before promoting any affiliate product, you must be the actual user of that very product, right? So guys, now here in my case, as you know that guys, I'm promoting ClickFunnels. It's a software guys through which you can create your professional looking sales funnel or affiliate funnel. So I'm the actual user of ClickFunnels, and this is the program guys that you can promote to make a recurring affiliate commission, guys, as an affiliate, guys, right? So let me just show you. So here I'm talking about this, and don't worry, I will tell you that how to promote this program, so don't worry. So this is one of the program guys that I'm promoting. By the way, if you want to check out this ClickFunnels software, then down below I have put the link. You can go and check out. It comes up with a free 14 days trial, right? So you can go and check out, right? So this is the program that I'm promoting guys, right? ClickFunnels. And there is another program guys that you can promote as an affiliate and make a recurring commission. It's a GetResponse, right? And if you type on Google guys, like if you want to become an affiliate, then type GetResponse affiliate program, and then you will find there you will find the link. You can see that if you click on that, then yes, you will be taken to the page where you need to submit your information so that you can become an affiliate, guys. So you can come here, you can see that guys, right? So sign up, click on, you can pick this one or this one, so it's up to you guys, right? And same thing guys, there is another program that is Aweber affiliate program. If you type on Google, then yes, there will be a link. Click on that and there will be a page where you can see that guys, you can apply to their affiliate program and you can become an affiliate to promote this Aweber, right? So it is another program that pay you monthly recurring commission, guys, right? So you can click on that and you can submit the information and you are ready to promote this. And there is another one that is ClickMagick affiliate program. Yeah, you can see that. And click on the link, and yes, down below you can see that submit your information, right? And yes, after submitting your information, simply click on that button, guys, right? So guys, here overall idea is that go and become an affiliate of these program that I have just shown you guys. So these are the four main program that are in demand, guys, right? And that pay you a monthly recurring commission. And yes, there are some other programs too, guys, that pay you monthly recurring commission, but these are the programs that I personally use, guys, that I personally use, and that's why I'm promoting, guys, right? So same thing, guys, I'm telling you guys, before promoting any affiliate product, guys, first you must be the user of that very product, guys, right? So guys, as I have told you guys, right, ClickFunnels is a software through which you can create funnel, sales funnel or affiliate marketing funnel. GetResponse is an you can say autoresponder through which you can do your email marketing, and same thing for with Aweber, it is also autoresponder through which you can do email marketing, right? And ClickMagick is a software through which you can track your affiliate marketing campaign, guys. So you can see that, guys, these are the needs. Those are people, those who are looking for how to create sales funnel. So for that, I'm promoting ClickFunnels, because this is one of the problem that people are searching, right? That people are looking for. So I'm providing solution, right, based on their problem. Same thing, GetResponse, there are people, those who wants to do email marketing, those who wants to build you can say their email list, they want to send broadcast. So yes, considering their problem, I'm promoting this GetResponse. And same thing with Aweber, right? There are people they may say, oh, hey, I don't want to use GetResponse. Okay, you can go with Aweber. And the same thing, there are people, those looking for a software through which they can track their campaign. So yes, considering their problem, I'm promoting this ClickMagick, guys, right? So these are the four programs, guys, that I'm promoting personally, and yeah, no doubt I'm making a recurring commission, guys, right? So same thing, guys, if you want to make recurring affiliate commission, then yes, you can pick anyone or all of them, guys. So it's up to you, guys, right? So guys, now here you might be thinking, what's my next step? How to promote this software so that you can make recurring commission? Simple, guys. What you need to do, you need to create your own you can say your own YouTube channel. This is very, very important, guys, right? So here I'm assuming that you have created your own YouTube channel, and if you don't know how to create your own YouTube channel, guys, so here simply, guys, you can come here, type how to create a YouTube channel. So there are so many tutorial, guys, you can go and watch, guys, right? So think like an entrepreneur never ever complain. He or she never say something like, hey, I don't know how to do this thing and that thing. Come on, guys, Google or YouTube, they are the master, guys, they are the gurus, right? So if you come to YouTube or Google, if you type something, if you ask to them, and they will show you the solutions, guys. So yes, you can do this thing, guys. If you don't know how to create YouTube channel, then yes, you can see that there are so many tutorials, guys, that will teach you that how to create your own YouTube channel. So here I'm assuming that you have your own YouTube channel. Then, guys, what's your next step? Type the keywords, guys. So here I'm typing the keyword with the brand name. So there are people, guys, that people are looking for ClickFunnels, so they type ClickFunnels, right? So here you can see there are so many keywords, guys, that people are searching. So here what you need to do, guys, make a list of all the keywords that people are searching on YouTube, and based on their you can say search, or you can say keywords, start creating videos, guys. Like you can see ClickFunnels review. So yes, if you are the actual user, go inside your ClickFunnels account and create a review video about ClickFunnels, right? And what you can do, there is another thing that you can do, like there are people, those who are looking for how to create a landing page. So guys, here what you can do, simply pick the keywords and create a training on how to create landing page, and here you can use this ClickFunnels software, and you can say something like while doing the training, you can say something like, hey, I'm using this software, its name is ClickFunnels, and it comes up with 14 days free trial. So yes, if you want to use this software, then down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, right? So here you are promoting this ClickFunnels software indirectly. Here you are not promoting ClickFunnels software directly. First you are providing value, first you are solving the problem that people are looking for on YouTube, guys. So they are looking for the solution. So through your video you are giving solution, guys. Understand this. People love to buy from someone who is you can say helpful, who is providing value, right? So through your video, if you are solving their problem, guys, I would say from my personal experience, people will go through your link, guys. They will approach to you and they will ask, hey, I want to buy from you this ClickFunnels software. Why? Because I have watched your video, and through your video I have you can say I have known to that how to create landing page, right? So yep, you have solved my problem, so I'm gonna use this software using your affiliate link, right? So this is one of the way, guys, to promote SaaS product, or you can say this ClickFunnels software, right? And yes, if someone join this ClickFunnels using your link, you will be able to make a recurring commission, or you can say monthly recurring commission, guys, right? And yes, what you can do in your video, you can say, hey, if you use this software, then I will give you my bonuses, like I will give you my personal coaching, my personal support, or I will give you my landing page template or my sales funnel. So give extra reason to buy from you, guys, right? So offer bonuses, that will be good, guys, right? So that you can do, guys. And same thing, guys, for GetResponse, right? If you want to promote GetResponse, then type there are people, those who are looking for how to create landing page in GetResponse. So create training, guys, like with GetResponse. Yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So yes, go and create training on GetResponse, where you are showing to the people that how to create landing page using GetResponse, guys, right? So, and same thing in your video, you can say, hey, if you want to use this GetResponse, then down below there is a link, go and check out. And plus, if you use this link using my link, I will give you my, or you can say, if you use GetResponse using my link, I will give you my bonuses, right? And same thing for Aweber, guys. Aweber, right? You can see there are people, those who are looking for the solution. So if they find your video, then guys, that's it, guys. And if you provide great help, great solution through your video, then yes, they will go through your link, guys. And same thing, guys, for ClickMagick, guys. There are people, those who are looking for how to create tracking link. Yeah, you can see. So yes, go into your ClickMagick account and show to the people how to create tracking link. And yes, in your video you can say, hey, if you want to use this ClickMagick software, then down below there is a link, go and check out. That's it, guys. This is the simple strategy, guys, that I'm using, guys. And guys, here, understand this, people believe what they see with their open eyes. If you show to the people that how to use this software, or how to create tracking link, or how to create you can say landing page in GetResponse or in ClickFunnels, so that way people will believe, guys, because they are seeing with their open eyes, right? So you are showing to them how they can create landing page using ClickFunnels or GetResponse or Aweber, guys, right? And here through your video you are showing to the people that how ClickFunnels or GetResponse or Aweber or ClickMagick gonna help them in their affiliate marketing business or in their online business. So when they see with their open eyes that, okay, yes, this is how we use this software and how easy it is, and by using this software they are going to get leads and sales, then guys, people will believe, and somewhere they will think that yes, I can do this thing, and by using this software it's gonna help me, or it's gonna benefit me in my online business. So overall idea is that show to the people, guys, show a demo, do a training using the software. So yep, if they find your video where you are solving their problem, then yes, you will be able to make a recurring commission if they use your affiliate link, guys. So these are the, you can say, 4 SaaS product, software as a service, that I am promoting. And yes, if you want, you can use these products to promote, to make a recurring affiliate commission, guys, in your affiliate marketing business, guys. Right? So yes, guys, now you know what are my, you can say, affiliate program that pay a monthly recurring commission and how to promote them so that you can make a recurring commission, right? So that's it, guys, right? So yes guys, yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button, right? So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.